There's a lot of money in today's strategy, guys. I'm gonna lay out step by step what do you have to do. And you can see from this amount that I made last week, everybody can do it, okay? Everybody can follow these steps and repeat them. And of course, hit that subscribe button and let's go and make money. First of all, go over to Etsy.com. And you have probably heard about Etsy before, but if you haven't, this is the place where you can buy anything and you can, of course, sell anything. And the thing which is working the best on this website are digital products, okay? And you can sell digital products on this website, just like these memes, for example. Just take a look at what people are doing. They're selling these memes. So 73 meme emotes pack, they cost $9.15. I mean, that's crazy. Just take a look at this. This person sold 200 of these already, and they have 5.0 rating for these meme emotes pack. Now you can find these meme and you can just try this yourself, but I have a better strategy. But just take a look at this. If they sold 200 of these and $9.15 is the price of one, you can easily make a calculation. So for example, 200 of these times 9.15 bucks each, that's $1.8 thousand, and they sell like digital product memes. I mean, it's nothing. Everybody can do that, okay? Everybody can sell memes online, and everybody can get $1.8 thousand for it, just like this person is doing it, right? Now, this is the reason why Etsy works, okay? If you go over to SimilarWeb and you check out Etsy.com, you will see that they have almost 500,000,000 total visits per month, okay? 500 million total visits. Now, that is why Etsy works, okay? That is why it works. And just take a look at this. They have steady growth over time. So this is just gaining popularity over time. It is not declining. Etsy.com is the place to be. It is the future of selling things online, okay? And my friend, you can make a lot of money on it as well if you just follow this strategy. You can, of course, live wherever you want in the world. It doesn't matter. You can live in Africa and you can sell on Etsy. You can live in Australia and you can sell on Etsy. Everybody can make money on Etsy. Okay, I'm just gonna show you one strategy. If you go on Etsy and you type in resumes, okay, just type in resumes and you will get a lot of these resumes templates, okay? So you can see that a lot of people are doing that already. People are selling these resume templates. I mean, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Just take a look at this person, for example. I'm just gonna head over into it. This one is 7.97. And if you are a professional and you want to send a resume to some company, you're going to buy this one because it looks cool, right? It looks dope. You're just going to change the areas inside of it with your actual CV details. This is why it is a template. And you can see that it is digital download. You get one PDF and one zip file, and you just change this. So you don't have to ship any products. You don't need to have these in stock in your garage or something like that. This is digital download. You make this only once. You make this only once, guys. I repeat that. And then you sell it, for example, for 84,000 times. Now 84,000 sales, and this each one is 7.97 bucks each. Now, to be honest, I'm afraid to multiply these two numbers, but let's do it actually times 84,000 times. Just take a look at this number, guys. That is how much money this person made, $600,000. But of course, all this money didn't come overnight, okay? This requires some patience. But you don't have to worry, guys. As we have seen, Etsy.com has all the traffic. You just need to place the product and everything is gonna be automatically done, okay? You got a lot of money on autopilot. You just set it up once and you forget about it. So how can we make like these resume templates ourselves? How can we do it? Well, there's a simple tool which is going to help us. That tool is called Canva.com. And you know Canva.com, you have millions and if not billions of easy templates to choose from. Okay, you have a lot of these templates and you can do, I don't know, Facebook covers, Instagram posts, Pinterest posts, and you can see right here you can make resumes. Okay, if you click on resumes, you will get a lot of these free templates which you can use in order to make one for yourself. So I don't know, let's click on this one and you will see that this template is now available in this editor. Okay, so this editor is inside of your browser. You don't have to download anything, and of course you don't have to pay for nothing. Okay, this is totally free, and this is now a template which you can sell on Etsy. Now you can see how easy this is. Okay, this is so easy. I mean, even babies can do this. Just choose a simple template. If you don't like this one, you go back and you choose another one. Okay, I don't know, maybe this one you like. I'm just gonna replace current page. Maybe you like this one, and maybe you can make like 3, 4, or maybe even 5 of those. The more you make, the more money you can sell. And I've told you guys, you only do this once, okay? You make one template once, and then you sell it on Etsy for as many times as that traffic allows. So when you are happy with your design on Canva.com, you just click on the share button. Then you just click on to download, and I suggest that you download this as a PDF standard, okay? Because people need to change this, okay? This needs to be changeable, and that's why we work with this, okay? We're gonna download this to our computer. People can change that, but of course, they will have to pay for it first, right? They have to pay for it, and then they can change whatever they want, guys. In the start, of course, you will be making, I mean, it's impossible for you to make like $600,000. So what I suggest is that you start out like this person. I suggest that you lower the price, okay? Lower that price to $2.70, just like this person has done it, because you need some reviews. And the lower you go, the more reviews you can get, and later you can just increase your price when you get a lot of those reviews. And the more reviews you've got, guys, the more of those people are gonna come to you, because people like reviews these days. I don't know what's up with that, but this is really charging the world. I mean, you have to get those reviews, and there is no better way than to lower the price. You can see this person put it for $1 each. I mean, you can put it for $1 each as well, because you don't pay for it, right? You don't have any production costs. You just use Canva for free. You make a few clicks with your mouse and you are ready for profit. So even if you sell this one for $0.50, that's still profit, because you don't have any production costs. This is free. Canva is always going to be free, so you can always make as many of those resumes as you possibly can. So go out there, take that action, guys, and I'll catch you.